Guys, we're back with another video. I haven't done a video in a long time. It's been getting cold. I've been working 2 jobs. I just haven't had time. So I got my bike here, spinning around for you. We're gonna put this exhaust on here. Comes with a header and a new muffler. We'll get it installed. I'm gonna do the Yoshimura muffler. I have a bunch up there, and then my friend who's a fabricator has my one that I'm gonna put on this bike. Just because I don't like this goofy little muffler that this eBay kit comes with. But all the piping seems to be pretty fine to use. I just would rather have a better muffler. So I'm going to take all this off, we'll get it unbolted, see how much work it's going to be, and then get the new one installed. And then we'll give you the sound clip of what it sounded before and after, give you an idea of whether you want it for your bike. So we got to pull the bolts off the header so we can drop the header pipe. And then we got a mounting tab up under here and here. We're going to pull this bolt out to get the muffler off. 12mm. Saver bolts. I don't know if the new one comes with hardware or not. I didn't check actually. We got that loose. This bolt here on the back, you need a 13mm socket and then a 15mm wrench for the back side. It's pretty easy. It's just the passenger foot peg. And there we go. You have your entire exhaust off the bike already. Pretty easy enough. Now let's get the new exhaust out. Well, here's our new front header. It comes with an O2 sensor bung for the people that have an EFI bike. Mine's still carbureted, so I don't need that. So it looks like it comes with, this is the spring hardware. So I guess they want you to take this bottom bolt out of the peg. 10mm, I think. I'll leave that loose still because I want to be able to adjust these clamps and things to wherever I need them at once it's all tightened down. Let's get the muffler out now. I'm actually not even so sure you can call this a muffler. It looks like just an exhaust tip. I guess it is a muffler. It's got a glass pack built into it. So, the lightning... The lightning. Wow. No comment. No comment. That one on. And then I gotta put a strap that goes from here up to the original foot peg. Like this piece. And then this will go around the muffler. And then I assume one of these drop down bolts gets used. So drop the clamp down. This is all going to be good hardware to have when I go put the Yoshimura on. Make sure it's good and tight. Where you rolling? Alright, so the lower hanger's on. Get this extra tight. Try and keep it from rattling loose. I guess I could just put Loctite on it, but I guess that's why it comes with a spare. That's their warranty work. Seems pretty good and tight. That feels pretty good and tight. Alright. Now I just gotta tighten down this O2 sensor bung. Don't need that falling out. Looks like a hard part to find. Alrighty. There we go. She's all on there. I bet this thing is gonna be loud. Alright, we got the tools put up. Let's see how it sounds.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah, oh shit, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition, we just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, bitch, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.